Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve the battery life in Samsung Galaxy A51. So these simple settings will help your phone last longer every single day without harming its performance. So first of all, you just have to open the settings of your Samsung device. In the settings, you just have to go to the option of battery. When you tap on the option of battery, you just have to turn on the power saving mode to reduce the background activity and save energy. Next, you need to go back to the settings and open the display. In the display, you just have to lower the screen brightness and turn on the dark mode because the Galaxy A51 uses an AMOLED screen that saves power in the dark mode. After that, you can open the background usage limit in the battery section and you can add the unused apps to the sleeping apps list. So this stops the apps from draining your battery in the background. You can also turn off the features that you don't often use, like the Bluetooth, the location, the hotspot from the quick settings panel. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to improve the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy A57. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.